very good morning to all. Today we will be doing the exercise of chapter number 9, that is Madhumakkhiya. So we will continue from page number 56. Here you can see the first exercise of पाठ ज्ञान. पहला प्रश्न, निम्नलिखित प्रश्नों के उत्तर लिखिए. So you have to answer the following questions. पहला प्रश्न का, मधुमक्खी के घर को क्या कहते हैं? So the meaning is, what is the name of the bee's house? Next one, खा, रानी मधुमक्खी कहाँ रहती है? So the meaning is, where does the queen bee live? Third, गा, रानी मधुमक्खी क्या करती है? The meaning is, what does the queen bee do? घा, रानी मधुमक्खी की रक्षा कौन करता है? So who protects the queen bee? Next one, फूलों से मधु कौन इकट्ठा करता है? So the meaning is, who gathers this honey from the flowers? Next one, चा, रानी मधुमक्खी के बीमार पड़ने पर क्या होता है? So the meaning is, what happens when the queen bee falls sick? Last one, छा, रानी के स्वस्थ होकर लौट आने पर क्या होता है? So what happens when the queen bee returns home healthy? So now let's see the answer. So first one, का, मधुमक्खी के घर को क्या कहते हैं? सही उत्तर है का, मधुमक्खी के घर को छत्ता कहते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन, खा, रानी मधुमक्खी कहाँ रहती है? द आंसर इज, रानी मधुमक्खी छत्ते में रहती है. गा प्रश्न, रानी मधुमक्खी क्या करती है? गा उत्तर, रानी मधुमक्खी अंडे देती है. नेक्स्ट वन, रानी मधुमक्खी की रक्षा कौन करता है? सही उत्तर है, रानी मधुमक्खी की रक्षा के लिए अंगरक्षक होते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन, फूलों से मधु कौन इकट्ठा करता है? सही उत्तर है, मधु इकट्ठा करने वाली मधुमक्खियाँ कामकाजी मधुमक्खियाँ मधु इकट्ठा करती है. सो कामकाजी मधुमक्खियाँ मीन्स द वर्कर्स. नेक्स्ट वन, चा, रानी मधुमक्खी के बीमार पड़ने पर क्या होता है? और इसका सही उत्तर है, रानी मधुमक्खी के बीमार पड़ने पर सारा काम ढीला पड़ जाता है. लास्ट वन, छा, रानी के स्वस्थ होकर लौट आने पर क्या होता है? सही उत्तर है, रानी के लौट आने पर छत्ते में दोबारा खुशियाँ छा जाती है. So these are the answers of the first exercise. Now let's move on to the second exercise. सही या गलत का निशान लगाइए. So you have to mark whether it's true or false. प्रश्न है का, रानी मधुमक्खी अंडे देती है. खा, मधुमक्खियाँ कोई काम नहीं करती. गा, मधुमक्खियाँ घर से रस लाती है. घा, रानी मधुमक्खी की जाते ही सब खुश हो जाते हैं. गा, द लास्ट वन, मधुमक्खी के घर को छत्ता कहते हैं. आई होप यू ऑल हैव मार्क्ड इट. फर्स्ट वन, का, रानी मधुमक्खी अंडे देती है. सो इट्स करेक्ट. खा, मधुमक्खियाँ कोई काम नहीं करती. इट्स फॉल्स. तीसरा, गा, मधुमक्खियाँ घर से रस लाती है. सो इट्स रॉन्ग. घा, रानी मधुमक्खी के जाते ही सब खुश हो जाते हैं. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो रॉन्ग. लास्ट वन, मधुमक्खी के घर को छत्ता कहते हैं. इट्स ट्रू. सो यू हैव टू mark it right. Now let's move on to the next exercise, that is Bhasha Gyan, knowledge of the language. Here the first exercise, पहला प्रश्न in page number 57. The question is, जिन शब्दों से काम का करना या होना पाया जाए उन्हें क्रियापद कहते हैं. So the meaning is, the doing words, that is the action words, is known as verb. And in Hindi we say kriya. So kriya is same as the verb. Now here you can see few examples are given. The first one, गाय मैदान में घास चर रही है. So the meaning is the cow is grazing in the field. So here grazing is verb. Now in Hindi you can see few words which are given in the box like char rahi hai. So this is the kriya word in Hindi. Next example, Kavita ne path pad liya. So here Kavita is a name of a girl and the meaning is Kavita has read the lesson. So here read is the verb and you can see two words in the box, pad liya. So this is kriya for this sentence. So same way you have to choose the correct kriya shabd from the box given here. Question is उपयुक्त क्रिया पदों को चुनकर वाक्य पूरे कीजिए. So you have to choose the correct phrase and fill up the blanks. So options are given. You have to choose the correct one. The first question, रानी के लिए सबसे शुद्ध मधु dash. So you have to choose the correct phrase from the given options. खा, वे फूलों से मधु इकट्ठा dash. रानी मधुमक्खी स्वस्थ होकर डैश. घा, सभी मधुमक्खियां अपने अपने काम में डैश. गा, छत्ते में दोबारा खुशियां डैश. Now let's check the answer. So here the first one का, रानी के लिए सबसे शुद्ध मधु रखा जाता है. So रखा जाता है is the correct phrase. The meaning is the purest honey is kept for the queen bee. खा, वे फूलों से मधु इकट्ठा and the correct answer is करने लगती हैं. So the meaning is they collect honey from the flowers. Third one, रानी मधुमक्खी स्वस्थ होकर, the correct answer is lot I and the meaning is queen bee returned home healthy. गा, सभी मधुमक्खियां अपने अपने काम में डैश and the correct answer is लग जाती है. The meaning is all honey bees starts doing their work. The last one, nga, छत्ते में दोबारा खुशियां, the answer is छा जाती है and the meaning is that again happiness return in the hives. Now let's move on to the second exercise. The question is ling badliye. So you have to change the gender with the help of given words. So you can see here options are given, that means the words are given and you have to choose the correct words. The question ka, the given word is pita. So you have to choose the correct opposite word for pita from the given options. Kha, आदमी, गा, मुर्गी, घा, मालिक, nga, बूढ़ा, चा, शिक्षक. So here pita means father, kha, आदमी means man, murga means cock, malik means owner, budha old man, शिक्षक means male teacher. So you have to write the opposite gender. Let's see the answer. First one, पिता, माता, आदमी, औरत, मुर्गा, मुर्गी, मालिक, मालकिन, बूढ़ा, बुढ़िया, शिक्षक, शिक्षिका. So you have to write these exercises in your Hindi notebook. Now let's move on to the third exercise, that is विपरीतार्थक शब्द लिखिए. So you have to write the opposites. You can see here in the box few words are given and you have to choose the correct one. Now the given words are खा, असाधारण, खा, रानी, गा, शुद्ध, घा, स्वस्थ, ङा, अपना, चा, बड़ी, छ, उदास, जा, संग्रह. Now let's see the correct answer. So here asadharan, the opposite is sadharan. Asadharan means extraordinary and sadharan means simple. Kha, Rani. Rani means queen and the opposite is Raja, that means king. Ga, Shuddh. Shuddh means pure and the opposite is Ashuddh. Ashuddh means impure. Gha, swasth. Swasth means healthy and the opposite is aswasth means unhealthy. Next one, nga, apna. Apna means ours. So the opposite is paraya, others. Cha, badi. Badi means big and the opposite is choti means small. Cha, udas. Udas means sad and the opposite is khush means happy. Ja, sangra. Sangra means to collect and the opposite is vigra. Vigra means to break or separate. So this was the third exercise. Now let's move on to the fourth one, that is Shabd Gyan, word knowledge. So here, do you know about the collective nouns? Now it is the word used to represent a group of thing or a place or people or animal. So here you can see the words Gayo ka jhund. So it's a group of cows. So we say herd of cows. Next one, Bachcho ki toli. So we say group of children. Anguro ka guchha. Angur means grapes and guchha means bunch. So we say bunch of grapes. Ladko ka dal. So here ladko is a plural form of boys and dal means team. So we say team of boys. Logo ki bheed. So here logo means people, bheed means crowd, crowd of people. Kachre ka dher. Kachra means garbage and dher means pile. So pile of garbage. Next one is Gaiko ki toli. So here Gaiko means singers and we say choir of singers. So this is a piece of knowledge. Now next one is Rachnatmak Abhivakti, that is creative expression. And the first question is Pakshiyo ki awaaz milaiye. So you can see on one side birds names are there and on the other side their sounds are there. So you have to match it. So first one ka, it's tota, kha, murga, ga, kabutar, gha, mor, nga, chidiya, cha, koyal, cha, kawa. And on the other side, the first one, kuhu, kuhu. So it's a sound of a bird. Now you have to match it. Second one, chi, chi. Third one, pee, pee. Fourth one, cow, cow. Fifth one, kukdu, ku. Sixth one, gutter, gu. And seventh one, the last one, tie, tie. So you have to match it. Now the next exercise, second one, पिछले प्रश्न में दिए गए पक्षियों का चित्र काटकर चिपकाइए. So you have to cut the pictures of given birds and stick them here. So instead of pasting the picture, you can draw also. So you have to draw only one picture of a bird. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Dhanyavad.